So Swagata, where are we right now?
We are at JBR Walk, the most famous street in Dubai.
And what are we doing here?
We are going to watch fire show.
On what occasion?
National Day celebration.
So what is the time right now?
Right now time is 7:30 and it will start at 9:30.
So 2 hours to go, but then we are just going to have a walk around and we'll show you all the famous activities or interesting activities that are currently going on out here. So I'm sure you'll find it very interesting, and in case you have missed to come at this place to watch the firecrackers or fire show or fireworks show, then we're going to show you in this vlog, so definitely you're not going to miss it, isn't it?
Yes.
So right now guys, as you can see, we're just taking a walk along the JBR and this place looks very attractive. It's a super dope place in Dubai. And what do you feel about the place, guys?
No matter how many times you come here, it always
feels so nice, right? Here we have spotted one of the Teslas, guys. Look at some more cool bikes, guys. You'll always find such attractive cars, bikes. Even the police cars and police bikes are very attractive over here. So right now, as I was saying, I just spotted police super bike, and look at this bike, guys. It's an amazing bike, isn't it? Oh my god, guys, something special about National Day is about to happen. Oh my god, he looks very adorable. People are taking selfies with him, as you can see, guys. And behind him some kind of parade is going on. You know, Swagata, what the special thing today, whichever part of the street or whichever part of JBR walk we'll go, there's something special going on always.
Yes, you are right, and it's one of my favorite places in Dubai.
So guys, we are approaching the beach. So this is the place where fireworks are about to happen, and it is still 1 hour to go, right?
Yes.
1 hour to go, and we are excited because it happens here in a very grand style, and it's about National Day, so it has to be in very grand style. Oh my god, just look at the light. It really doesn't feel like it's 9 o'clock right now.
It feels like we are in morning.
Not really, because of course it is artificial light.
Yeah.
It's not a sunlight. So when it is going to happen? Have you seen something as cool as this? They have got a shop on kind of a boat. Very attractive, isn't it?
You want to vote to gain your happiness, okay? Tell me yes or no. You want to gain the happiness?
Yes. So as we are walking along the streets, look at what cool waterfall we have found out. Very nice, isn't it?
Actually, this road reminds me Bilberry Hills of California.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh my god, it was really awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
So to all those people who are living in UAE, a very happy National Day, and I'm sure you must have celebrated in grand style. So guys, I'm sure you must have liked this video, so please do not feel shy to hit that like option, and please do share with your friends and relatives as well. I'm sure this is worth watching at least once, isn't it?
Yes. And now we are waiting for the biggest fireworks, the Burj Khalifa.
And definitely we are going to capture that as well, which is going to happen on 31st of December.
This is going to be a double celebration, because this time we are going to celebrate our 31st with our family.
Yeah, here is our family, our parents.
Hi guys.
Hello, we do enjoy a lot.
Hello, very nice. I खूपच enjoy केलं.
Oh my god, look what we have spotted on the way, guys. It's changing its colors. It's very nice, right?
Yes.
Yeah, right.
So guys, if you really like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Anas vlog.
And here we're going to end this vlog right now. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sure you must have enjoyed it, guys. And do not forget to subscribe, as I always say. So on this note, stay tuned, stay blessed and stay happy. Goodbye for now, and see you in the next vlog.